Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let me do it. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Now let's scroll down again to tap on Reset and tap on Reset All Settings. As you can see here, we've got the information that your device will reset all of the settings except the security, language, accounts, personal data, and settings for the downloaded apps. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset Settings. And as you can see, the settings will be reset and they cannot be recovered. What is more, your device will simply restart in order to apply new settings. So be aware about that and tap on reset. So we've got the information that our device is restarting right now. So be patient, and after that you will be able to use your brand new settings. So basically that's all. This is how to reset all settings in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.